time, 15 minutes past 11, and welcome to the rainy mess that appears to be the outside of my window. No. Just me that finds this depressing. So yeah, today is fun. Today's a work day. So, 5:30 till 9:30, which, not too bad. But yeah, so we're not really going to be doing too much today. Like I said, I'm working. It's obviously I've got a couple hours before work, and obviously, but other really than work, it's just like there is no intention to really do anything whatsoever, and I mean absolutely no intention. I think we both know what page I'm at as far as all that goes. Car alarm. Oh, I went to go find something to watch. So, oh. No. Watch it might wolf again when a car drives by. Are you seeing this? I'm predicting the future here. Right. Let's see what happened another time. What happened a third time? Sorry, a fourth time? Let's go. Right, let's see. What another car driving past set it off? Yeah, let's find out. The bus did nothing. Never mind, people are getting in the car and leaving. Well, that was a weird few minutes. Today's vlog content involves car alarms going off and me watching, so I have nothing else to do. I just remembered I have no milkshake left. Damn it. Thank you, Obama. Drink. So I think it's today as well. Either today or tomorrow. This is what's been said all over the internet. That we'll get the Robust Palace leaks. Then I can finally decide if I want this or if I'd rather have something, retro. See, when I buy retro sets, right, here's my rule. I won't buy anything older than 2012. That's what I would consider retro. Despite the fact that, you think about it, the year after 2012, 2013 was 9 years ago. Well, why is that not retro? But 2013 is where all the stuff that's modern now kind of started to come in here. I kind of give, 2012 or before is, my opinion, my favourite era of Lego Star Wars. 2013 kind of gets a pass. Like, that's when stuff started to really go up in price, at least from what I remember, so I can give 2013 a pass. Kinda, but I don't actually own, do I own any 2013 sets? I'm actually looking around to figure out if I have anything from that year. Not that I know of. No, I definitely don't. And then like 2014, I see spring-loaded shooters and stunt shooters, all that. I feel like 2014 is kind of what a bit of the downfall started, but this year seems to be picking up again. So if I buy anything retro, it'll be 2012 or before. Lately, my kind of goal as a collector has been trying to buy a lot of the 2012 sets since I got the Jabba's Palace, the Droid Escape, the Naboo Planet. Like, I had the minifigure as well, but he's in here, the red one. I think this vlog's gonna end up being called fucking Car Alarm. Car Alarm. See if you call it, see if it's like Cat Alarm. Cat Alarm. Cat Alarm. I invented a horrible chocolate. Well done, me. Proof that we saw Anakin and Grogu's vision in order. Nah. 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 They are been uploading a lot of Jackass related things. Okay. So I need to go do something to cancel one of my Amazon orders because it's been pointed out to me that I could order my sister's birthday gift from Disney a lot cheaper. So I'm gonna let you know how that goes, and I'm gonna order it from the Disney website. So today just keeps getting better and better. Yesterday's vlog is 44% merged. It's 12 minutes past 12. I am off work Sunday and Monday, right? And tonight, that pitch is nowhere to be seen. Yay! Which means I'll probably get my usual aisles, my usual sections. Like, these are the ones I get put in commonly, like DIY, furniture, paint, and the sale section, and our storage. And those ones that I had in that bitch puts me, which I do like doing. It's just like she thinks that other section can be done within like half an hour, because she's clearly on cocaine of some kind. Let's see, the boss we've got on tonight is... Oh crap, I always forget her name, it annoys me. Come on, Stephen, get thinking. I always forget, why do I keep forgetting fucking people's names? Why the hell am I struggling to remember the boss's name? Fucking hell, man, that's annoying me. It'll come at me eventually. But yeah, my stuff came and look, even gave me a little note of my name. Hey, that's nice. So yeah, it's like a one-use bottle, so I'll use it once and then throw it out. It's like, it's kind of brown and there's like, see that shade of green there? That's the shade I'm going, got a cup of tea there. And other bit of good news, this is a good day. I'll be doing that tomorrow actually. So yeah, final full vlog with my brown hair for a little while. I'm gonna have to wash my hair actually. For work, so I can look presentable, because yesterday was, obviously a lazy day where I did pretty much fuck all. I do have a work form, yeah, I've got some junk, I need to clear it off. I'll clear it by Tuesday. Tuesday's my next work day. So, Sunday, Monday, off, yes. So I think tomorrow might be one of those times to meet up with Corey. So yeah, the other good news is I went on the Disney website, right, 'cause I was told, like I said, I could get it cheaper from there. Why do I have juice and tea? That makes no sense. Moving on. I could get it for £15 less, plus only £3.95. I only paid £24, including postage, on the Disney website for the same thing. Whereas I think I got screwed on Amazon, paying £35 plus shipping for it. Obviously my brother's Lego set arrived, so that's great. Nose. What was I saying? So yeah, I've sent a couple messages. Hopefully I get refunded. Like, Amazon won't screw me. Plus, hopefully the item doesn't come, because let's see, I paid 35 plus postage. That's 24. And I still paying over £60 for two of the same thing. Not ideal. So yeah, that's some of the more the packaging they use to keep the bottle safe. I work at the company. Props where it's due for doing that as well as they did. So yeah, I'll put those Get those two things up here. There's like a coupon in there, so if I want to try another colour, temporary, I can do that again. But yeah, weird. Last time I had dyed hair, right, it was kind of like, I wouldn't say blonde, it was more so yellow highlights. And this is like summer 2013, so yeah, nearly 9 years ago. 10-year-old me, I don't know what it was. It was like, if I remember correctly, someone in my family, right, with a trainee, I can't remember who, it was one of my older cousins. So like a trainee hairdresser, and it's like, oh yeah, I had longer hair, so it's like they would have let test some of the shit. Well, childhood memories. Anywho, so yeah, I'm just gonna chill out for the next hour, grab my cup of tea. Yes. Minions cup, as it turns out, I don't actually have any cups of my own. I have these. But you can see if I'll put one down so we can see how dusty it is. I don't recall cleaning them yet, they're somehow really clean. Weird. Watching CinemaSins, I'm going to try and find out what I want to watch, but just left sitting on autoplay. In fact, no, wait. Put it here so it's more reachable. Makes sense. I watched the one with the Suicide Squad, so yeah, I'll probably see you guys around 1ish, but there'll be one. I'll update you guys maybe after this, and then I'll be going for my shower. Last time I washed my hair, probably, and it'll be brown, so yeah, that's kind of cool. It's coming up for 3:30, so I'm going to be leaving soon. Need to just get a few things on. Grab a couple of things that I need to grab. Still need to check my bank and see if I got refunded from Amazon. So yeah. Look at my one for this is like done. Get all that out. There we go. Brilliant. Yeah, I go. That's good. Right, just want to keep my hoodie on. Yeah, so just done my hair again, putting a hat on. What? Box car. Your phone. Let's grab the charger. Take my comb so I can do my hair and work so I can present it. That's what I've been usually doing. Just get all the stuff in it. Get it all sorted. stopping as our test comes. I need some more balls. I think I've lost. I don't know if anyone else was long hair watching this come out, but they're super easy to lose sometimes, or sometimes they snap. Right, so get that. This is warmer and has better pocket. Gloves. You know, just for a bit of extra warmth. Got them bits for using your phone as well. See in the street. So just walking to Silverburn. Don't know if it's the last update before I go into work or not. It's 41 minutes past, so a few minutes behind schedule to be honest. I'm going to fix the insides of my wheels, which I'm having to wear because I was suggesting because this place has been raining and it's full of puddles and just, you know, genuinely not as well. So my work shoes are in my bag and I'll put those on, you know, when I get to work obviously. So if I don't see you before work again, see you after. Currently 5 till 10, walking home. I talk in the Russian accent. We do the Russian accent thing because Russian. Right man. Get home. I end up spending quite a bit. Well, I say quite a bit, like more than I would normally would at night on munches, but they had nothing good on reduce, so I ended up paying full price for a few things. Some donuts. I have one of them left. Yes, I know it's hard to really pig, but see this week. Sorry, not this week. See, for some reason today, right? I didn't eat before I got in to work. I don't know why. Like the buses were just so bad. I was on them. Dumb my nose. No, that car's a fucking Domino's hit thing on it. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just making my way at the bus stop. I'll walk until I, get up to that bus stop. But I might do a little bit of content inside, but that's only if there's like no one else there. Like I know for a fact that I don't like doing it when I'm like alone with people. At least 4 people that I don't know. Oh, nice old Volvo. Alright, let's cross our road. The kids come. These boots are bloody brilliant for all the wet and all the fucking rain. Like, you guys can 100% fucking see this shit. Watch me traverse the mud. Ooh, we're getting on the eyes too. I'm not turning the flash on. So it was a bit obvious. Like I try to conceal what I'm filming sometimes. See them with other people like who are in on it. It's like I'll reload a fucking one. But even by myself, like I was staring at me. Oh look at the bus stop. I think is empty. It's a little bit hard to tell. It's cutting off. Nothing coming. Something's coming, but I'll fucking be able to beat it, no problem. Swish. Right, buses. So 15 minutes. Alright, 15 minutes. Oh, fuck, this bench is cold. Ugh. Well, not fun. Not fun at all, eh? See, there's a number I usually get. There's a 10 coming in that direction. That one's gone into the city centre. No need to hack. The chicken Big Mac is fine out. I really don't know what I want to say about that. No, there's no people coming about the directions. 14 minutes. Well, I can wait till 20 to 11, so obviously I'm going to get the one in 14 minutes, so that makes, you know, a hell of a lot more sense. I'll see you guys when I get home. So as it turns out, it's midnight. No, I'm not just home. I got home probably about 25 to 11. I was watching some videos. I just didn't find the time to update for eating, and just like I fell asleep basically as well. Just gonna put you guys down a second. One second. Okay, so let's do our usual thing. Grab this. So yeah, I think I'm ending this off here. It's late, and I really want to go to sleep. Fix this. Yes, well, you know, I could go without the labels, but yeah, I prefer the labels, to be honest. I'm gonna go watch this, and then I'm probably gonna go to sleep, so yeah. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So I'm gonna be dyeing my hair and shit, so yeah, see you then. Peace out.